Hey guys, welcome back. So as today we're going to be reviewing one of my all-time favorite wheel cleaners, which is this one over here, the Nerta Wheelshine Super. An amazing wheel cleaner, guys. I promise you're going to enjoy it. And we're also going to be using the Nerta Fallout 7, and we're going to be testing it out on this rim or this wheel that I purchased for the Corsa. You can see there's a lot of dirt in here. Now these wheels will need to be refurbished. As you guys can see over here, there's a lot of curb rash and just whatever the previous owner did. I don't know if they were looking for the pavement or not, but this needs to be refurbished. But before I send it off, I just want to clean it up properly. There's a lot of dirt here, and I'll show you guys now. You know, a lot of stuff that no matter what I do, you know, it's not coming off. I don't know if it's a combination of CV boot grease, just general grease that was, you know, from whoever was working on the wheels prior to me buying it. And we're also going to be cleaning it on the inside. So yeah, what we're not going to be doing is we're not going to be using these two wheel brushes, cleaning long wheel brush cleaning brushes, because obviously, you know, we can turn the wheel around. This is perfect for when the wheels are on the car. Both of them are available. If you are watching this later on in the year, the website will be up and running. But for those of us watching it now, the website is still being built. Promise you guys it's going to be up very, very soon. But for those that are wanting either one of these, you can email us, info@mdworkshop.co.za. Between the two, this is the better one. There's a lot more bristles on here. It's a lot more sturdier. The design is a lot more stronger on this one versus this one. So there is a price difference between the two. This one, as you can see, is also a little bit smaller. So not that this one isn't bad, it's just that this one is the better choice between the two. So depending on your budget, there is choice for those of you that are wanting something quick, but your budget doesn't allow you, or you want something that's a little bit more premium. It's going to last a lot longer. This is definitely the one to get. So I just thought I would put the sales pitch in there with regards to these products to clean wheels. We're not going to be using it, as I mentioned. So what we're going to be using today is these two chemicals. Generally I'll use the wheel cleaning mitt, but just to agitate the chemicals a little bit more, I'm going to be using a detail brush, and then we're going to be rinsing it off, and then we'll see the before and afters. So let me quickly bring you guys in so you can actually see up close just how bad this wheel is. Let me quickly bring you guys in. I don't know what this is, and obviously a lot of dirt, brake dust. So what we're going to do is we're going to spray on the Fallout 7, which is an iron remover. Let that do its thing, and then we'll come in secondly, after we've rinsed off the iron remover, we'll then come back and then we'll spray the Wheelshine Super. Both of them will be contactless. I'm not going to agitate just yet. We'll then assess and see exactly what we need to do thereafter, and we can take it from there. Alright, okay, let's spray on the Fallout 7. Okay, let me quickly bring you guys in and take the autofocus off. There we go. The action happens so quickly. So a lot of loose dirt and just, you know, iron from the brake dust, which is essentially the term used, loose ferrous metals, Yeah, I mean, there you can see it running out onto the barrel of the rim. Okay, let's rinse it off. Okay, let's quickly see how much dirt is still left. As you guys can see, there's still dirt on here. So what we're going to do now, we're going to spray the Wheelshine Super. I will say this, even though, you know, the Wheelshine Super has been geared for a touchless system, to me personally, some form of contact in that whole wash yields the maximum results of cleaning, you know, wheels. So to me, if the Wheelshine Super removes all of the dirt, I'll be happy. If it doesn't, I won't be upset. But I do expect it to have removed close to 70% of whatever dirt is able to loosen up, and we can then use a detail brush thereafter just to you know, attack and just clean it and make sure that on the third attempt that the barrel is completely clean. All right, let's quickly get the Wheelshine. Here we go. On immediate contact, you can immediately see how it's breaking up the dirt and it's like just becoming brown. Let me bring you guys in. Grab it over here. There you can see. Okay, let's put the autofocus back on. Alright, this ideally should be left on for about 2 to 3 minutes max. I'm actually in a much favorable situation. The wheels are cold, you know, it's been in storage, and it's also overcast at the moment, and I'm working in shaded areas, so you know, we can push it to 5 minutes if we wanted to, but I'm gonna leave it. It's been on here, what, not really, just over a minute. Leave it about another minute or two, and then we'll come back and see exactly what we need to do. Okay, let's rinse it off. Alright, so there's still bits and pieces where we can see there's dirt. I mean, if I do that, you guys can see there's not much. So yeah, I cleaned off quite a lot. Let me bring you guys in. Autofocus. My fingers are wet now. There we go. So as you guys can see over here, that area over there, that you can see still dirt over there. And if we can see, so we'll use the detail brush just to get rid of the last remaining bits of dirt, and then this inner barrel should be completely clean. Okay, I think I've cleaned about 99%. I think there's 1 or 2 spots like here. Yeah, I can see it there, but there's clean. So the section over here, just a section over here, from about here I can see it. You guys can see. So I'm just gonna come in again, spray some of that Wheelshine Super over here, clean it up, and then we can take it from there. Autofocus again. Okay, there we go. And I put on the flash. I thought that was it. There's nothing on there. Okay, so we can't now. I want to flip this around, but what I'll do is I'll get the blower just to dry this up, or speed up the drying process when we finish with the front. So a lot of the residue from the chemicals coming from the inner barrel leaked out, and it's cleaned a lot that was in front here. But let's just spray iron remover on you just to see. And what I'll do is I'm actually going to combine it now. I'll spray some iron remover, and then I'll also spray the Wheelshine Super together just to speed up the process, and then we can take it from there. Right, let's just have it all, both of them lined up together. Let me just bring it in, bring the camera in. Okay. It's like a completely different color. Gosh. And that is all cleaned up. Yeah, that, I mean, if I wanted I could chase after that, but my word. This is supposedly supposed to be black, a black in the barrel like this. So yeah, I think those two products worked very well together to achieve this result. Alright, let's quickly flip the wheels around. Again, I mean, yeah, this needs a proper sanding down and then polishing it to get that polished look here. Obviously this is a matte black that they went for on the paint, and this is a new age black with dirt mixed in it. But yeah, you guys can see. Let me see if I take the flash off. Same thing, you can see just how bad it was. And I mean, this was in a similar state as this. And if we go back, you guys can see Massive, 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 massive difference. So there you go, guys. As you see, I mean, even now you can see a massive difference between these two. As I mentioned, this is seriously one of the best wheel cleaners you're gonna find in how it works, how it cleans. As I mentioned, you can use this. One of its key attributes is that you can use it on a touchless system. If it was just for, just to clean the outward appearance, you can definitely do that. But as I mentioned, for the maximum amount of cleaning aspect, you need to do a contact wash, and I think that is where something like this or even the wheel mitt would have come in handy. I personally prefer the boar hair detail brushes, just in that the bristles are a lot more stronger. They're a lot more there's a lot more quality aspect with regards to how strong they are in terms of agitating dirt and getting most of the dirt loose, versus your nylon synthetic fiber detail brushes. So we will be stocking the boar hair detail brushes. I think we'll bring in a few of the synthetic nylon brushes, more for our Muslim brothers and sisters that that don't want to make use of this. But as I mentioned, from a personal preference, the boar hair is a much more premium product versus the synthetic fiber, just from a personal preference in terms of how good it cleans. That being said, yeah, we are in stock of both the Fallout 7 and the Wheelshine Super. We currently only have the 1 liter, so you're more than welcome to email us info@mdworkshop.co.za. Please contact us if you would like to order stock, and we will be more than happy to reply and actually give you the necessary pricing with regards to how much it is to buy this from us, and get it out to you as soon as possible. As well as these triggers, these are the heavy industrial triggers, so they are a lot more stronger. Even though they say it is chemical resistant, all of that means is that it will last a lot longer than your convenient retail trigger. There's a lot more sturdier components on the inside to help withstand if you're using either acidic product or an alkaline based product. So we do have these triggers in stock, and yeah, I'm super excited, man, guys. The way this came out, especially the inner battles, it's a night and day difference. As well as here, I'm sure you guys can see it right now. But as always, guys, if you have any questions, please email us info@mdworkshop.co.za, or you can comment down in the comment section below. I'll be more than happy to reply and give an answer if I am able to, based on the questions that you're going to ask. If you haven't done so, guys, please consider clicking that subscribe button, then hit that notification bell that you won't miss any of my future uploads. Also, if you've enjoyed this, please consider clicking the thumbs up. I would appreciate it. And most importantly, guys, to you and your loved ones, please stay safe out there. I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.